Hello everybody and welcome back on my channel. My name is Alex and today we're gonna make this exercise in SolidWorks. First we'll have to open a new part. Select here part, press OK. And now we'll have to make this plane white. And here we'll start with a sketch in the front plane. Here we'll make a center rectangle. And now with Smart Dimension we'll have to define this. Here will be 30 millimeters. And here will be 48. Okay, and now let's select center line. And we'll make here a vertical center line. And now we'll select corner rectangle. And we'll make a smaller rectangle right here. And now it's Smart Dimension, let's define this. Here will be 8 millimeters. From this line to this one, here will be 17. And from this line to this center line, here will be 20. Okay, and now let's use mirror entities command. Select this rectangle and at mirror about select this center line. Press OK. Now go to features, use extruded boss base command, and here instead of mid plane, actually keep mid plane instead of blind. And here should be 70 millimeters. And we'll have to select all of these three contours and press OK. And now we'll open a sketch in the right plane. And here we'll make the next sketch. We'll select line and we'll start just like this. And then we'll go back to this point. So make a sketch like this. And now let's make a center line. We'll start from this point and we'll make it like this. Now it's Smart Dimension, let's define this. From this center line to this line, here will be the diameter 6.5. And this one will have the diameter 10.5. Okay, and now from this line to this edge here will be 50 millimeters. And now this is fully defined. Let's go to features and use Revolved Cut. And this center line should be selected here. We'll keep here this and this. Press OK. That's good. And now we'll have to open a sketch on this face. And here we'll select center rectangle. And we'll start it from this center point. Make a rectangle just like this. And now with Smart Dimension, let's define it. First, this line here will have 25. This line here will have 15. And now this is fully defined. Go to features and use Extruded Cut. And the depth will be 10 millimeters. Press OK. Now we have to check something at the sketch before. So let's go back, open this sketch. And now we have a dimension here that I didn't check it. So let me check it. Here should be 21. Yep, it's good. Exit this sketch. Okay, and now let's make the next part. Let's open a sketch in the right plane again. And here let's start with a center line. So select center line. We'll start it from this edge. On this edge, don't make it vertical. Now it's Smart Dimension, let's give a dimension from this center line to this edge, and here the angle should be 73 degrees. Okay, and now from this point to this edge here should be 30 millimeters. Nice, and now select line and let's make here this sketch like this. Now let's see. Select this line and this center line and select here make collinear. Select this line with this one and select here make parallel. And now it's smart dimension. Let's give a dimension from this line to this one, and here should be 9 millimeters. Okay, select these two and select here make perpendicular. This should be good. Make sure that this sketch is outside of our part. Now go to features, use Revolved Cut, and here this center line should be selected here, or this line. We want this cut to be like this and like this outside, so we can make sure that the hole is throughout this part. Press OK. Nice. And now let's make the next one. For this one we'll have to select hole wizard. We'll use this one, hole. Here we'll keep metric, and here we'll select tab drills, and the size will be M6 with 1. Here we'll keep it up to next. And that's it. Go to positions, 3D sketch, and let's place it somewhere like this. And now we'll have to fully define it. Select center line, make a center line from this center point like this until this midpoint, and then select this center point with this center line and select here make coincident. Now it's more dimension. Let's give a dimension from this center point to this edge, and here should be 10 millimeters. And press OK. Now we'll have to apply some fillet to this. Also, click on this arrow, select here thread, press OK, and here the thread location will be this edge. And let's see, we'll have to go up here, select this one, hide the lines visible, and now we'll select here the size M6 with the pitch 1, metric tab, cut thread, and we'll have to select here an offset. Let's make it 2 millimeters, reverse the offset. Okay, and now we'll have to put here 30 millimeters. We want this thread to be longer than our hole, but not on this other side. Right here it's good. Press OK. And now let's go back here and make it back like this. Now everything is almost done. What we'll have to do next is to select this face and open a sketch. And here select line, and we'll have to make the next sketch. Just like this. Now smart dimension, we'll have to define it. First, from this line to this one, here the angle will be 115. And then from this point to this edge, here will be 48. And the next one will be, just a second, will be from this line to this edge, here will be 33. Now this is fully defined. Go to features and use Extruded Cut. Here we'll select through all and press OK, or we can keep it up to next and press OK. Nice, and now what we have to do is to apply some fillets. So select fillet. The first fillet will have the radius 2 millimeters and will be this edge right here. And these 4 edges, we'll select this one, connect to start loop, and we can see the preview, these 4 edges and that one. Press OK. And now the next fillet would be with radius 1. So select fillet again, radius 1. Here on the left you change the radius, keep it symmetric. And we'll have to select this edge from the hole and this other one. Press OK. And now this should be everything. Yes, and this is it. This was the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.